Billionaire bond king Jeff Lundlatch said once, said twice, and he won't stop saying it, gold is going much higher. It's time. It's also inevitable, but the biggest catalyst is the dollar falling and commodities aren't getting produced quickly enough. Both of these things lead to inflation. Some of these things the US is short on are computer chips that will affect cars, iPads, computers, phones, manufacturing machines, fuel, plastic, palm oil, lumber, toilet paper, chicken, bacon, hot dogs, cheese, coffee, everything. It's just they can't get enough of it. However, this is more of a long-term view. Unlike predictions from Bank of America and other institutions of gold going to 3,000 in less than a year, Lundlatch sees gold hike as slow but steady climb to the top. He thinks it's going to be a 10-year run. This is because Lundlatch also thinks that the US dollar drip is on to a very long and precarious journey. He said, and I quote, "The dollar is going down. That's the linchpin to everything." And I believe after trading near the low 90s for the last few years, the US dollar index is at a critical juncture. Lundlatch is neutral on the US dollar in the short term, but in the long term, he doesn't rule out the index falling below 70. For comparison, normal US dollar index falls usually between like the 2% range. Lundlatch said that McDonald's giving away a signing bonus is a stark proof of how bad the US dollar is being devalued. The dollar is so worthless that companies like McDonald's are just giving it away for free. The dollar is so worthless that people just don't even want it. Yes, employers can't find workers because employees don't want to work because the money they will get from companies, you can either get it for free or they can get it from the government right now. Aside from this, Lundlatch pointed that the US consumer spending has helped the Chinese economy reach the largest export versus import gap since 1997. How? Well, government assistance money is being spent on goods from Asia because those goods are affordable, they're cheap. Another major change is how European stocks are outperforming US stocks right now. For several decades, European stocks have always chased the US market, but that has changed recently. Now European stocks have begun outperforming US stocks. Yeah, listening to Lundlatch sets off some people. It doesn't always rub people right. After all, billionaires like him have the power to manipulate the market to benefit them. We are overprinting money. China is benefiting from the stimulus. We have a shortage of commodities. Other countries' markets are outperforming the US. So what do? We invest in gold. Lundlatch trusts gold with his billions. You can certainly trust it with your investment savings. So it might be the right time.
If you're interested in investing in precious metals and you want to talk to a no-hassle representative that has experience in physical metal, give us a call. Phone number is 877-646-5347. Our phone lines are always open and we're happy to answer any of your questions.